Best dual sport motorcycle for beginners: Suzuki DR200SE. The world of motorcycling offers adventure, freedom, and excitement to those who venture into it. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can significantly shape their journey. The Suzuki DR200SE, celebrated for its versatile performance, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features, stands out as the perfect dual-sport motorcycle for those stepping into the world of off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, user-friendly design, and rider-focused attributes, the DR200SE provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, thrill, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Efficient power and approachable performance. At the heart of the Suzuki DR200SE lies a dependable 199cc air-cooled, SIHC, single-cylinder engine. This engine delivers a manageable level of power and torque, making it suitable for both on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Compact design and off-road features. The DR200SE boasts a compact and purposeful design with features like long travel suspension, lightweight construction, and substantial ground clearance. These elements equip it to tackle dirt trails, gravel paths, and demanding off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and new rider-friendly layout. Rider comfort is a primary focus in the DR200SE's design. It offers an upright and accommodating riding position that ensures ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The plush seat, wide handlebars, and user-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road agility. The Suzuki DR200SE exhibits responsive handling and off-road prowess. Its lightweight frame, capable suspension, and agile characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike in challenging conditions, whether it's negotiating rocky trails or exploring remote terrains. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the DR200SE often comes equipped with features like a skid plate, handguards, and a protective windscreen. These features enhance safety and instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the DR200SE excels in off-road adventures, it is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, city rides, and short trips, making it a well-rounded dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Suzuki enthusiasts and dual-sport riders create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow adventurers who share a passion for off-road exploration and the DR200SE's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki DR200SE encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-efficient adventure. The DR200SE is known for its affordability and cost-effective ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without a substantial financial commitment. Customization options and personalization. The DR200SE offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual preferences. Whether it's adding luggage racks, auxiliary lights, or other accessories, the DR200SE can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Conclusion. The Suzuki DR200SE encapsulates the spirit of adventure and Suzuki's commitment to providing the ideal dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its efficient power, compact design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the DR200SE offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Suzuki DR200SE as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the thrill of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. The DR200SE is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of off-road excitement and unforgettable experiences.